Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and we're going to do an unboxing for you on the AfterShokz Trekz Air headphones. And what's cool about these is they don't have anything that actually goes inside of your ear. It's bone conductive, so it's going to vibrate your jawbone, and that's how you're going to hear the sound. So we're going to open up this box, take a look and see what comes inside, and I'm going to try them on, see how they fit, see how they sound initially. So let's open up the plastic here and see what we've got. On the back of the box, you can see a little bit of info. They kind of touch on the big features of these. They are IP55 sweat resistant, which is nice. So if you're going to be working out or going for a run, that's going to be a great thing. You can take your calls wirelessly on these, and we're excited to hear what they sound like. We're actually going to do an overview video on these as well to kind of go into more detail. So make sure you stick around for that. Let's see if there's an easy way to open these. There's a sticker on the side here. So lift that up. There we go, that's much easier. And we've got the headphones right here on the top. And we've got an accessory case and a little warranty card. Put those off to the side. Take a look at the accessories here first. There's a little pull tab. Whoop, I failed there. Let's see if we can salvage that. We can. And nothing else in there. And here we've got a nice kind of silicone-y feeling pouch. It's got the little AfterShokz logo on there. We'll open that up. Nothing in there. Put that off to the side. And see what kind of goodies this comes with. Literature. Micro USB cable for charging. You do get up to a 6-hour battery life on these, so that's a pretty good amount of time, being that they are pretty compact in size. And you also get a set of earplugs, which is interesting because these vibrate your jaw and you don't have anything in your ear. You can actually use these, it looks like, to block out the other sound that might otherwise be getting into your ear. The other nice part about having open ear headphones like this is that you can hear what's going on around you. So if you are going for a jog, you'll be able to hear if there's traffic coming, if there's somebody around you. So that's a great feature to have built into your headphones. And let's see if I can figure out how to do this. Actually, I'm just gonna give a little effort and those will tear right out of there. I'm not super strong, so you guys will probably have an easier time with that than I just did. And here's the headphones. This is pretty cool. There's not much to them. They're really, really small. You got all your buttons over here. You got your little USB connection. Goes right in there to charge them up, and then you have a power button that'll looks like also act as a volume up button, and then you have your volume down button. We'll do a little more research into those for the overview video so we can give you more details on what all those do. But basically, from the picture, you just kind of put them around your ears. It's got these little hooks that go over your ears, and that's how they're gonna work. I don't have a huge head, so these are kind of hanging out a little bit. If you can see from the side, they do stick out past my head a little bit. If you're a bigger person than I am, they might fit you a little bit better, but shaking my head around, they're gonna stay on. They're not gonna fall off at all. So that's kind of cool. I'm gonna give them a quick listen and kind of give you my initial impressions too, so stay right here. Okay, so I've got these things on and running now. It is a very surreal kind of sensation. These are the coolest headphones that I've ever tried out. You can hear everything, but you can hear what's going on around you too. As you can see, I'm not shouting into the camera right now. I can talk at a normal volume because I can hear myself talking, which definitely is gonna come in handy when you're running. I was thinking they might be a little bit too big, but they're not. I can move around, they don't go anywhere. They're not gonna fall off. Sound quality is surprisingly very good too. I'm gonna hold them up to the microphone and you can see, I hear them loud and clear right now, but they're not putting off a ton of volume otherwise. If I have them on, the people around me can't hear what I'm listening to. So this is really cool. I'm excited to get to try these out a little bit further, go running with them. listen to some different music with them, maybe take a couple phone calls and kind of give you guys my feedback. So that's the Trekz Air from AfterShokz. As always, we appreciate you guys checking out our videos. Make sure you subscribe so you get the updates whenever we post new content.